Hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Mangoes are in season and today I'll be using them in a kulfi. Interesting, right? In this video, I'll be telling you how to make a mango stuffed kulfi. So without wasting any time, let's check out the recipe.
To make the kulfi mixture, add 500 ml of milk in a pan. Boil the milk and reduce it till it becomes half. Once the milk is reduced, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, grated almonds, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it all a good mix. My kulfi mixture is ready. I have cooled down the kulfi mixture and now comes the main part of the recipe, which is hollowing the mangoes. Remove the top of the mango and retain the cap. Now gently take a small knife and loosen the pulp around the mango seed. I have already loosened it. You can also use a spoon here. Firmly hold the seed and rotate it to loosen it further. Now pull it out. Take a bowl and remove all the pulp from the mango. Now mix all the pulp that we have taken out from the mango in the kulfi mixture. Place the mango in a glass so it stands upright. Now fill the mango cavity with the kulfi mixture up to the brim. Now cover the mango with the cap that we have retained earlier and freeze it overnight. The mangoes are frozen perfectly. Now take a cloth in one hand, remove the cap and peel the mango skin. These are ready to be sliced now. Be gentle while slicing it. You can see how beautifully the kulfi has frozen inside the mango. For people who will eat this for the first time might wonder how you have filled the mango with kulfi. Isn't this a perfect way to surprise your guests? Garnish it with some chopped almonds and your mango stuffed kulfi is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Akshay signing off.
In this video, hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Akshay from In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a mango stuffed kulfi. Mango stuffed kulfi. Yes, so start. Interesting, right? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a mango stuffed kulfi. Well, without wasting the mangoes, let's start the video.